what I'm doing is there's a bracket down here that, let me get up where I can talk a little better. There's a bracket down here that needs to get removed. This bracket right here. This bracket needs to get removed so we can put the new autopilot in there and then run a drive unit through here and connect right here. This is our steering quadrant. This piece runs down through the boat into our rudder and makes it turn. And then behind all this are the cables that run up to the helm to make it move. So, where this hole is, a bolt goes through, and that's where our autopilot attaches to. This piece and this get connected together because this is a rudder indicator to tell the autopilot what direction the rudder's turning. So I'm going to first thing get this bracket removed, bring the autopilot in, and measure and see if we made a good mistake or a bad mistake. If the long shaft or the short shaft. We have the long shaft, so I'm hoping the long shaft will work.
I thought you measured before we bought it.
So I'm going to remove this bracket. All right, so we excavated this box, which is our brand new Marine linear autopilot drive. And make no mistakes, this video is not sponsored by Marine.
No, it was not.
Tape measure is right here. So I think mid-stroke, and I've got to go look at a measurement, but I have to measure from here to here and figure out where halfway is. Rudder post is going to connect, and then drill some holes.
So with any luck, this is going in today. Yes?
So this is the piece that will go down through here. This will go up through the rudder post.
Which piece?
This right here. So we'll pull this. So this will go through here and connect. So this is what's going to actually move the rudder back and forth. This would be a lot easier looking at these little small holes if I had glasses on them.
Why would you want to do that?
Yeah, this is going to move the rudder. So it'll move back and forth like this. So let me go get the measurement I need. I think it's 33.8 inches, but we'll go look at the computer and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So with the autopilot, I need right where measurement A is, which is where the pin is, here out to here. And what we have is a type 2 long shaft, so it's 33.5 inches. So I'll measure that out, and then we'll know where to drill the holes to put the base in. 33 and a half.
33 and a half, let's go.
I don't need no stinking knee pad.
Do you want me to help? Because I can put this down.
Nope. So what I did is I just temporarily hooked this up here, and the drive unit is just sitting back there. So I need 33 and a half from here to there.
Well,
Woo!
hang
I
on.
think this just turned into a big job.
No, hang on, because how far back are you? Are you supposed to measure it from the straight
measuring
part? What
from
part?
This pin right here.
Oh.
To this pin right here.
Okay.
How close am I back there?
You're right on it.
Right on the pin?
Yep. It looks like it. I can't see because there's no light, but yeah, it looks like it.
All right, that's where it needs to be. So, this does not make me happy, people.
You only got room for one bolt.
Well, here's the thing. I see major issues.
What?
I'm hitting. So I have to lift this drive unit up like this.
Oh.
So,
Can you stick a couple 2x4s on it?
maybe. Doing is popping this slanted piece off,
Yeah.
running a 2x back because I need to come out to about here.
Yeah.
So I can temporarily screw it in back here until I get lag bolts, and then bolt the autopilot here. So that should work. So now I don't have to hold it, and I can just
Measure.
Sure, I'm 33 and a half. 33 and a half. Of a hair long. Okay. So if I lift this up, there's clearance there. Hot diggity damn.
That turned from a catastrophic thing to an easy thing.
Easier. Okay, so what I've done is I have this 2x4 right here,
Yeah, that you just
because
cut.
as you see, it's not going to mount well on this piece of board. So what I'm going to do is take these lag bolts, came out of the old autopilot, and put down through here. Actually, these go on the inside, but down through here, so it'll fix into this board. And I'm going to change this out from a 2x4 to a 2x6. And the reason being is these holes right here are way too close to the edge of the board, and I want to have some meat to grab on here. So we'll go get a 2x6, put on there. We'll get some bolts to go down through here. You know, machine bolts like this to go down through here, all the way through the board. Then we should be good. I have a feeling I have to jack that up too. So that can go in there and hold that there.
What are these other steel plates for?
Other steel plates for?
Yes.
What do you mean?
Like those ones right there?
These?
Yes.
These are called rudder stops.
Oh.
So when the rudder moves all the way this way,
Yes.
it'll hit this and stop and not keep going and rip it off.
Okay, got it.
Same thing over here.
Got it.
So when you turn the wheel and it goes boom, you just hit this. I think that'll work. So if I cut this off, right there. That will work.
Okay, so you got your measurements.
Hopefully. She just ate it.
I told you.
We're going to thread this on here. Like this.
Have I mentioned how nice that cold air feels?
So we're going to screw these here, this here. We'll tighten these up later. This should pop on here like that. That should come out and pop on here like that. There you go.
Paparoos right there and over there.
Yep.
Got it.
All right, we're at one of my favorite stores here, Home Depot. We had a 2x4 down there and I was trying to mount it. And the reason why I didn't like it is when we mount this autopilot, there's not a lot of wood left to bolt it to. So, what I'm gonna do is go with a 2x6. There's plenty of room to mount it to. We're gonna drill through and through bolt it right on here. So, we're gonna take this, get some construction adhesive, put down on that flat angle piece that we're gonna mount it to, glue this down, pull it back up. It's gonna show us where the holes to drill for the lag bolts are. Drill those, put it back down, lag bolt it down. Then we'll fix this to our 33.5 inches we need. So let's go find some more stuff.
It should be more better.
Yeah. So that and that should be about the same length. So this should sit right in here like this. All right. Drill it like this. Because this is the same as holes down there. Well, that'll hold it in place. So now, my holes are drilled. I'm going to put some more adhesive down, squish this down and run them and fix it. Make it permanent. Isn't going to go anywhere. What we have to do is that lovely measurement,
33.5.
33.5, and get the mount put on there, mark it, and drill more holes. All right, that's it. Woo! I think that's it.
And that's why I have dull Sharpies. Because you poke holes with the tips.
Listen here. What do you want? An autopilot or a Sharpie?
I got a box of Sharpies.
Oh, that's going to be fun. Okay, now let's see what type of hole we need. There's two. Of course, those are the easy ones. There's three. Whoo! That one's gonna be fun. Haha. Got you. Guess what?
What?
Drive unit's installed. At least that part of it.
Whoop, whoop.
So all I have to do now is tighten this up.
Okay.
I don't know if I have the right socket or not. So, hey, Nancy.
Hey, love.
Can you find me a socket? Preferably a deep well.
Does that look like that works?
It will for a little bit. So,
What's a spark plug?
spark plug. That's what makes a
Will one of these work?
gas internal combustion engine go boom.
Oh, we don't want to go boom.
Well, the spark plug is what makes our dinghy go.
Oh, okay, then we want it.
That's
to
a
go.
that's another episode.
Here, does this one try this one?
No, this is good. That hurt. There's more blood. That was really stupid on my part. Really stupid on my part. What the?
Oh, stuff just fell out down.
Yep.
So, hang on.
It's that washer right there.
I know, but I thought there was...
Why are you turning? Okay, so that's as far as that's going to go, because I don't have a deep well.